Hi yogis, this is a quick restorative yoga practice for the holiday season. We'll begin in supported fish pose. Bring your bolster up toward the low back and then lay all the way back, palms up, elbows bent, legs straight. Flex your feet. And today we're only holding the postures for 2 minutes. But just take this time to find some stillness and some relaxation during this busy holiday season. Slow down your inhale and your exhale. And just allow your body to release any tension you may be holding on to. Nice and slow, transition out of your supported fish pose and come into a supported forward fold. Place your bolster on your thighs. You can use your hands as a pillow to support your forehead, or you can use a block here instead. Take a few moments to get out any wiggles you may need. And then allow yourself to completely relax into the posture. Slowly make your way out of your supported forward fold and come into your pigeon pose. Bring your right heel outside your left hip, straighten your left leg back behind you, and then fold forward over your bolster and place your left cheek on the bolster. And again, take a few moments to get out any wiggles and make yourself as comfortable as possible in this posture. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, slowly crawl your fingertips back. Transition to the other side. Bring your left heel outside your right hip. Extend your right leg straight back behind you. Fold forward and place your right cheek on your bolster. The breath is slow. Allow yourself to be completely supported by your props here. Inhale, bring your head back to center. Exhale, crawl your fingertips back. And then make your way into Savasana. You'll place your bolster underneath the back of your knees. If you have a blanket, feel free to cover up with a blanket if that feels nice. And then gently lie all the way on the ground, palms facing up. And know that you have nowhere else to be but in this moment. You're welcome to stay in Shavasana as long as you'd like. This is where I'll leave you for today. Namaste.